Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use synonyms in Grammarly. Using synonyms in Grammarly can help enhance your writing by providing alternative word choices that can improve clarity and variety. Here's how to effectively use synonyms in Grammarly. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, go to App section and install Grammarly for Windows and Grammarly for Chrome. Now, if the status is active, you are good to go. After that, open up your text editor. Here, you can see that Grammarly extension is enabled on the bottom right corner of the screen. When Grammarly detects a word that can be replaced with a synonym, it will underline the word and provide suggestions on the sidebar or through a pop-up. Click on the underlined word to see a list of suggestions. Grammarly may display synonym as well as alternative phrase or sentence structure. If you are not getting the synonym suggestion, you can simply type the word wrong. Here, I will add one word here. After that, I will click on it and you can see synonyms here. Now, I am adding an extra word here. After that, I will see synonyms. And I can simply use this synonym instead of this word. Click on the synonym you wish to use. Grammarly will automatically replace the original word with your selected synonym in your text. By following these steps, you can effectively use synonyms in Grammarly to enhance your writing, make it more engaging. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.